Place rubber bands over the drain, and you'll never have to clean it again. Trust me, this crazy idea is brilliant. During daily routines like brushing your hair or applying makeup, tiny hairs and debris can easily fall into the drain, leading to clogs over time. This simple trick will help you avoid that problem. All you need are a few rubber bands, which you probably have at home. Just place 2 standard rubber bands on the sink surface, ideally close to the drain. Many people struggle with clogged sink drains caused by hair slipping through. This trick will solve that issue for good. The rubber bands will catch the hair, preventing it from going down the pipes. Regularly cleaning the hair off the bands will keep the drain clear for longer. When needed, simply replace the bands with new ones, and your sink and drain will stay like new.